Good morning. This is another episode of Renovation. This house is for sale, and now I'm gonna tour you in this house. This is the new washroom. Yeah, it's just like a half washroom. There's no shower or anything. Just half the toilet bowl and the sink, and that's it. This way is the kitchen. So I have still my, I'm gonna show you how to install this vinyl plant in the basement later, okay? And then this is the kitchen. Yeah, I just paint the cabinet just newly. And then here going to the basement. I'm gonna show you later. Okay, let's go up here. Here the stairs. Stairs is laminate. And then this washroom is newly renovated. Ako na rin ang nag-renovate dito. Yeah. I just use this old glass door. Lahat yan, pati tiles, pati tap is bago yan. Yan ang tawag. Yan. Puro bago yan. Yung tiles naman niya bago. Tapos dito yung master bedroom. Tapos may malaking closet. Tapos ito maliit na pang closet din. Ito i-store yung mga blanket, mga ganun. Beddings. Okay? And then may dalawang kwarto siya. There's 2 rooms here. A small room. Yeah. Tapos ito isang kwarto naman. Yung basement niya. Yeah. So messy, but ganun talaga. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. This is the vinyl plank, and then it's already have insulation in the back. And this is just like this one is the plastic, a vinyl. It look like a wood. Look at the finish. This is 100% waterproof. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to install. Yan ang unahin nyo. Yan ang unahin natin. Kailangan mag-start ka sa isang side, right? Tapos ngayon, ito madali lang, parang nakikita, parang group, parang may lock siya. Yan o. Parang yan. Ito mag-hook up. Tapos ito naman ang mag-hook up din sa susunod na vinyl. Okay? Yan, may groove siya. Okay? Tapos tuloy lang natin. Kung ma-insert nyo, insert nyo. Okay, like that. Okay, look at this. See? You need to insert here. There's a wood here in the stairs here. You need to insert this. How? Just cut this portion a little bit, and then we're gonna push this inside, and then mark it. Okay, put somewhere here. We're gonna align this. Make sure it should really fit the corner here. So look at this. Okay, that's the one we're gonna cut. Check it out. Okay, that's good. And the next one, second row. can hear the click. That's it. This one is just like click click, like a laminate. Okay. And you should have a hammer. Okay. And then here you need to tap a little bit with your hammer. Okay. Make sure there's no gap. Good. Then the third row, you can step here. Yeah. It's not really hard, it's easy. It's just a laminate, but I'm not using laminate anymore. You see? Up a little bit. And push this one. It's gonna lock by itself, see? If you can hear the click, 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 that's it. And the fourth row. Yeah, and then you can see this, tap with the hammer. Very nice. Look at the color. It's just like wood. This is the new product. I just bought it yesterday. About 300 square feet. Then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna go into this corner here, up to there, and then goes to the door. Into the room there. I'm gonna cut here like this. Okay. Tapos yung corner dito. Tapos may kahoy. Kailangan nakaangat. Parang kalsuhan mo lang, okay? Yan, ganyan. Tapos, try to tap. Yan, pumasok na yung isang gilid. Dito na lang. Yun. Pumasok. So easy. Tapos ngayon, dito naman, insert naman. And here, kailangan na natin ng cut. May corner dito. Tapos yan, padiretso na. Diretso na natin dito. Kailangan pag-cut natin pasok siya dito. Insert natin. Ayan. Mahirap talaga pag corner na. Kaya kailangan ng table saw. Kagaya nito. Ayan. Kailangan lagyan mo ng allowance. Huwag ka nang lalabas. Huwag ka nang lalampas dito. Kasi pasok natin sa ilalim. Dito. Okay? Yeah. This is the table saw. Look at this, may adjustment siya. Yeah. Yan, itaas mo lang yung blade. Lalabas siya. Yan. Okay, pwede na yan. Kaso lang naka 45. Ngayon, i-unlock natin.
alisin natin sa 45 degrees. May hook dito, ikutin mo lang just like that. Yan ang table. Pwede mo nang or gamitin mo ito pag master mo na kahit wala ito. Yan, ito parang 1 inch lang ito. Adjust natin ito. Ito yan, kita mo yung marker ko. Yung mark yan, tapos hanggang lang. Okay, so padiretso hanggang dito. May mark din ko dito. Dito naman hanggang dyan lang, tapos yan, parang L. Okay, mahirap lang ito ipasok. Very tight na ito. Ayan. Pasok mo itong corner na ito. Look at this small tiny gap here. Yan ang puputulan natin gamit yan ng steel. So padiretso doon. Sulit natin. Yan, mga 1 inch lang. Yan, pasubrahan natin para sigurado tayo. 1 port. Ayan, ganyan. Para sigurado. Insert talaga. Insert sa ilalim. Ayan. Markahan mo. Ayan, putulin natin. Okay, wait. Insert pala. Tricky lang naman itong mga corner. Yan ang tricky. Yan. Ano mo na ito. Tuloy ka na sa iba. So, nice. Okay mga kadiskarte, hanggang dito na lang po. Madali lang, right? It's easy. Basta may kompleto kayo sa gamit. May tools kayo. And then you have the table saw, the miter saw, right? If you have these tools, it's easy to install. Any, you know, like a laminate or this kind of vinyl plank, hardwood, that. Okay? Until next time, this is my discarding tatay. Jack of all trade, expert of none. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And sa lahat ng nag-share sa my videos, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Okay? Kung may natutunan kayo sa gabing ito, please give me a thumbs up. You can share. Of course, please subscribe na rin, okay? Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.